Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where performance meets precision. Today we're taking a look at what we call the best air horn valve in the market. The GG Grand General 69977 Chrome 4-inch floor mount stand and air valve lever set, specifically designed for the powerful 69991 train horn. Now if you're someone who takes their truck or heavy-duty vehicle seriously, you already know that quality components are not optional, they're essential. And this right here, this air valve lever set, is not your average accessory. It's built with purpose, with durability, and with performance in mind. The GG Grand General 69977 comes in a sleek chrome finish that instantly gives it a premium, rugged appeal. But this isn't just about looks, this thing is designed to withstand real use. The chrome air valve lever connects directly to a sturdy, equally chrome 4-inch floor mount stand. That means once it's installed, it stays rock solid even with heavy foot traffic or vibration. This setup is tailored specifically to control the Grand General 69991 train horn, and trust me, that horn is no joke. It's loud, clear, and commanding. But none of that means anything if you can't control it smoothly, and that's where this valve lever comes in. It's made with brass internals, offering a responsive and reliable airflow regulation, giving you precision control every time you pull the lever. It operates on 12 volts, and it's a vehicle-specific fit. So while it's engineered primarily for trucks and heavy-duty vehicles, make sure you double-check compatibility with your specific rig. This is not a universal throw-it-in-and-go component. It's designed for exact fit and performance. Now what about installation? It's straightforward, especially if you're already upgrading your horn system. However, optional accessories like the GG 69986 or GG 69987 mount screws aren't included. So plan ahead and grab those if you want the full mounting package without delays. Let's talk about pricing. At the time of recording, this valve set is priced at $134.99. For something made with solid brass valves and chrome hardware, that's a pretty solid value. Especially considering its purpose-built compatibility with one of the most powerful air horns on the market. Delivery times are reasonable. It ships directly from Amazon and offers support and 30-day returns. So if for some reason it doesn't work for your setup, you're covered. In case you're wondering, this valve also comes in other sizes. 7-inch and 11-inch options are available if you're working with different mounting heights or cab layouts. But this 4-inch model is the most compact and is perfect for tight installations where space is at a premium but performance cannot be compromised. So, what's the verdict from Product Critique? If you're running a GG 69991 train horn, this is the valve lever set you want. Period. It's robust, responsive, and purpose-engineered to deliver performance you can rely on. This is not a gimmick or a chrome toy. It's a solid, mechanical component made for real drivers who want real results. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another honest, detailed product critique. And if you've got questions or want us to compare this with another valve system, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where every product gets the spotlight it deserves. See you in the next one.